Hello everyone, more so hi to the ladies. I hope you are all doing well. Today's tutorial is sponsored by Curlsqueen. They sent me a pack of their clip-ins to try out with you, and the pack also came with essential extras which we appreciate. This is how the clips look straight out the bag. Very thick and full. These are 20 inches long. They are Light Yaki silk press clip-ins. This is premium Brazilian version hair. Very soft and natural looking. The set came with 10 pieces of clip-ins. These are enough for a full head of hair and they come in different lengths. To attach the clip-ins on your head, you open the clip. This is how it looks open. Insert it on your head and lock it. It will not fall off. I sectioned my hair. It is stretched out and I'm doing a middle part. I'm using a holding gel to mold and keep the hair in place. Use just enough gel, brush and tie the hair down. You can use a hair gel of your choice. Once the hair is dry, I start attaching the clip-ins, starting from the back to the front and placing them in a C-like shape. The clip-in length you decide on will depend on your head shape and the amount of hair you have on your head. You open the clip, hook it in and lock it. The process is repetitive and very easy. The clip-ins will not fall off when secured correctly on your head. I used the longer clips at the back and the shorter ones in the middle towards the front of the head. I saved one of the longer clips to place at the top just to create a seamless base. I went in with Heat Protectant. This is by Tresemme. It's available at Clicks and Discam. Then I blow dried and flat ironed my hair. The straightener I'm using is from Take-A-Lot. This is Temporary Black Hair Tint. It's a root concealer. I'm using this to blend my hair in with the clip-ins because they are a shade darker than my hair. Wax to tame the hair and to keep it in position. The clip-ins are thick and full from the top to the end. They are double wefted and double drawn. There was minimal shedding. They can be dyed and straightened. Really good quality hair. I used all 10 pieces on my head. And that's it. A sleek, neat and full look that's super easy to achieve. All hair details and links to Curlsqueen's website are in the description box below. Do check that out if you are interested in these clip-ins. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this useful. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.